Hi everyone, the Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you how to monitor your internal temperature for your Samsung S25 Ultra. So for this, we'll need to go ahead and download an app called Good Guardian. It's available on your Galaxy Store, so go ahead and download that. On your Samsung S25 Ultra, you have Good Guardian application, which has a module called Thermal Guardian. This helps you monitor your device CPU temperature in real time. So you will see how different activities like gaming or video recording affects heat output. So let me show you where you can find this information. So first, go ahead and open up the Good Guardian application. From here, find the Thermal Guardian, which is right here. Here you can go ahead and see your CPU temperature. So as you can see, there's a threshold and the temperature is below that threshold. So that is a good sign. However, if you're using gaming or you're doing video, you're watching a lot of videos, or maybe you're recording videos, this temperature will go up and will be above the threshold. You can go ahead and configure this threshold so you can decrease the temperature from maybe 1 degree, 2 degree, or 3 degree. Next, if you tap on CPU usage, you'll see the percentage of your CPU being used on your phone. If you tap on show temperature, this will show the temperature. As you can see, the CPU usage and the temperature is very near to each other. So that is a good sign for this phone. If your CPU and your temperature is around the 100% mark or 90 or 80%, that is a bad sign, and you should optimize your battery using the Good Guardian application. So this prevents overheating by helping you understand which apps push your hardware the most. So there you go, guys. That is how to monitor internal temperature on your Samsung S25 Ultra.
If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful.